Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Varteta Learning Platform, and today we are going to discuss about the mutable keyword and the const objects. Const objects are those objects whose properties cannot be changed. Let me put in that simple way. Suppose you have a person object. You want to store the information of some people, or you can say some personal information for some of the people, like their address, their name, their Aadhaar number, and their date of birth for some purpose, right? And since this is the information about a particular person, it cannot be changed, right? So this can be a const object for me. This should not be changed. I just need to store this information. But it may be that some point of time the address or the name of the person may be changed. Aadhaar number may not be changed. Aadhaar number will not be changed, and date of birth will not be changed. But his address, his or her address, and his or her name are are prone to be changed. They can be changed. Okay. It's like at some point of time the person may decide that he want to change his name. Some person may decide that he want to leave his country, leave his state, and want to live in some other state, or in some other city. So in that case, such kind of const objects will also need some updation. Some updates will be needed in such kind of objects. So in that case, this mutable keyword comes into picture, and this helps us to maintain these constant objects with some of the properties which may need to be changed. Okay, so let's see. First of all, I just created this class with personal info, and this contains 4 members: address, name, Aadhaar number, and date of birth. And I have created one constructor as well, where I have given the string name, address, and I have just stored all these information like address, name, Aadhaar number, and date of birth. And then to display the information like what is the Aadhaar number, what is the name, and what is date of birth, these things, I have just created this function display personal info. And you know that if you are going to create a const object, then in that case you must have a const function so that you can access the variables of your class. Okay, so if you have created a const object, then in that case, if you want to access, or if you want to touch a single variable or single property of this class, then in that case you must need to define a function which is a const type function. Okay, and remember to put the const here at the end, not at the beginning. Okay, now let me just first run this program, and before that, let me tell you, I have created a const object with name pinfo, personal info type, and name, address, the Aadhaar number, and the date of birth, everything has been provided. And I have created the object, and then I have just called this function display personal info so that I can display the personal information. Okay, so let me complete this personal information. Let me put it like this: en real, then I need to put like Aadhaar number, and then I can put it like S Aadhaar number, and then again ENDL, and then I need to put like the last information which I can put is name, DOB, Aadhaar, address. Yes, address. So here it's like S address. Okay, so all the information I'm going to print it here. So let's run it first. Okay, so you know this concept already, like how to use the constant object, and how to if you want to access any of the variable inside this object, then inside that class you must need to define a function which is of type const. Otherwise you will not be able to access the variables inside this class. Okay, so up till here you know everything. Okay, now let me do one thing. I want to change the name. Here I'm just going to change the name of the person as new name, and I have made this as const. Okay, so s name is equal to s new name. Okay, let's see what happens. I want to change the name, so I will just call it from here, pinfo dot display personal dot modify name, and let's see what happens. I got one error, right? Because No match for operator. This one, const string. Okay, so this is a const string, so that's what it is reflecting here. It's a const string, and you are trying to, because this is a const object, so this string has become a const string, and even if you are inside the const function, you cannot change it. You cannot change it because it's a const object, so everything here has become const. So you can touch the variables, you can display them, but you cannot modify them. But in case you have to modify, then what you will do, you will simply use this keyword mutable for name, and similarly you can use the mutable for address. So the name and address, these two things can be changed. Okay, now let's see. Okay, so in the modify name, I have to provide the new name. So rather than Vikash, I want to make it Viki Shakya. Suppose I want to make the name as Viki Shakya. Then let's see. Okay, now you can see like the old information has been printed because I have not called this function after the modify. So let me just cut and paste. Now if I will run it again, then you will be able to see the new name Viki Shakya. So the whole purpose of this exercise is to let you know about the mutable keyword and how it is used. So I hope you have got the point now, and you will not make any mistake while choosing the mutable keywords. You should not choose without any reason. You should be able to understand where to use it, why to use it, not just for the sake of using it. Don't use it. Just for understanding purpose, you can play around with the code in any manner, but you should be aware like where to use these things. It's not like you know about the mutable keyword, that is a big thing. No, knowing about the mutable keyword, being aware about the mutable keyword is not that important. It's important if you know where to use it, why to use it, when to use it. Okay, so I hope you have got this video useful for you, and if you have found it useful, then please share it with your friends, and please subscribe my channel, like this video, and we will meet in the next video with some new exercises. Till then, have a nice day and bye bye.